A computer fan is a small part inside the computer that helps it stay cool. It spins quietly and pushes hot air out so the computer does not overheat. You may not see it, but it works every time the computer is on. Imagine you are using the computer for homework or watching a lesson. After some time, the computer feels warm. That warmth comes from the parts working inside. The fan job is to carry that heat away. If the fan cannot do its job well, the computer can become slow or suddenly shut down. That is why caring for the computer fan is very important. Let us start with where you place your computer. Always put it on a flat and hard surface, like a table or desk. Using a computer on a bed or pillow can block the fan vents. When air cannot move freely, the fan struggles to cool the computer. Next, let us talk about dust. Dust is one of the biggest enemies of a computer fan. Over time, dust can enter through small openings and stick to the fan. When this happens, the fan becomes slower and louder. Cleaning around the keyboard and vents with a soft brush or cloth helps a lot. Always ask an adult before cleaning deeper parts. Another important habit is giving the computer breaks. Using a computer for many hours without rest can make it very hot. Closing apps you are not using and shutting down the computer after use helps the fan rest too. A rested computer works better the next time you turn it on. You should also listen to your computer. If the fan suddenly becomes very loud, it is trying to cool something that is too hot. This is a sign to stop what you are doing and let the computer cool down. Do not ignore strange noises. So, what did we learn today? A computer fan keeps the computer cool and safe. You can help it by placing the computer on a flat surface, keeping it clean, giving it breaks, and listening for warning sounds. Small habits like these can make a computer last longer and work better. If you take care of the fan will take care of the computer. Stay curious and keep learning with AppSolute Kids.